Yeah, this is Daniel from River FX. I am making this video right now with regards to the video I made earlier on this trading system. Some people still didn't understand how the trading system works. So what I did was I added supply and demand to the charts. Um, with supply and demand, I believe it would be easier for them to understand what I explained in the previous video. So as you can see right here, I have a major demand on the 4-hour time frame. As we can see right here, this demand was created here around this zone. And as you can see, let me clear that up. Sorry. And as you can see, what I did was that I drew a box right there. You can see the blue box. So let me go back to the 1-hour time frame. Give you an example. So hence I have a major zone on the 4-hour time frame. I also saw another confluence. I saw this break of structure right at this point. Now, if you have an experience with price action, then you would definitely be waiting for price to return to the zone for you to enter and push up. But let's assume that you do not have any idea about price action and you have this system. When you get this system, you just have to be patient. So what you will do is, in confluence to the previous video, you have to wait. You wait. So we know for sure that our trend is going upward. So we're only looking for buy positions, right? We don't take any sales. So what you will do is wait for this to return back to this zone. As you can see, it did all it did. It came here, it dilly-dallied a little, and it came back to our 10 zone. Now already we know that our bias is up, so we're buying. So in this instance, this arrow pops up. Good. Now this arrow pops up here again. What do? You go in crazily on your buy with your stop loss below here. Now your first target should be this zone, and that first target was hit successfully, and that target coincides with the middle band, the 50 line. So even if you choose to hold further for it to push to the 90 zone, which if you're a beginner, I would not recommend that you do that. I would recommend that you take your profit at the 50 line right here. But should you want to hold, if price keep moving in your direction, you can break even and hold risk free. Now, this is it. For me, when I see this break right here, I would enter at this zone because the arrow confirms that the trend is still going up, which would mean that you hold the trade until it touches here. Hold up until it touches here. Remember that the trend is going up, so it's a strong push to the upside. Now, this is the reason why I added the supply and the demand indicators. So you see, if it gets here, if you had no idea where the strong demand is coming from, you will be tempted to take a sell here. Yeah, even though it moved a few pips, if you broke even, yes, you would make some profit and go out of the market. But if you were holding this with hope that it was going to drop all the way here, then you would have been wrong, because already from the 4-hour time frame, we can see that our bias is up. So this is the reason why I added the supply and demand indicator. And you see, it kept pushing upward. It kept pushing upward. So if you return to the 4-hour time frame, what you would have done is, when it moves, you see another zone. Now, let me show you how I did that. You see another zone of demand created. So this is what I would do. I would draw it out. And as you can see, it is a verified support. So that is fresh demand. You can come back to the 1 hour time frame. You can even come back to as much as the 5 minute time frame, depends on. I don't want to do too much back testing, so I'm just testing it out here. So as you can see right here in the zone, we have fresh demand. So what you would have done is, since you already have the demand, you may choose not to wait for this to return back here. You may just take this at the arrow and place your stop loss below and ride. But if you are too scared, then I'd suggest you rather wait. But the demand was very strong and it didn't return to that zone. But as you can see, even on the 1 hour time frame, fresh demand was created. Although this is an untested demand, but if you want, you can take it because it will have a small stop loss. And as we can see, it worked out very well. It did work out very well. As you can see right here, now that was where the demand was created, and it coincides with this hitting our 10 line. So even if you should have chosen to take that trade, let's say you chose to take that trade, your stops would have been right below here. Very tight stop loss, very tight stop loss. So even if you should lose this, it's nothing. This is the 1 hour time. It's nothing. So you would hold and look at it. Price kept breaking, moving upwards, coming back to fresh demand and pushing upwards. So it's quite as simple as that. It's as simple as that. It works on all volatility pairs, but here's the catch. It only works on MT5. I have not purchased a version for MT4. As a matter of fact, at the time of purchasing this strategy, this system, there was no uh, version for MT4 available. So this is the only one available for now. But in coming times, if I should get that one, I will definitely drop it. I will definitely drop it. So I hope that for those who were commenting and asking me how this system works, that they do understand it clearly now. I hope they do understand it better. So when you get this system, I will send you both the trading system and the TPL file, so you don't have to set up anything anymore. I will send everything completely to you, but it's not going to be for free, so you just have to chat me up. Now, in coming days, I'm dropping free trading systems. So whenever I say that a trading system is not free, then you should know that that trading system is very, very powerful. Very, very powerful. So this trading system will not be given for free. If you need it, you chat me up through the Telegram link down below this video that you're watching on YouTube. Please leave a like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment down below. I guess I'll see you all next video. Peace.